Welcome back, everybody. This is live stream number 14. Let me know if you can hear me well, if you can see me well, and if we don't have any lag. That would be much appreciated. I hope you're all doing well. I'll be here until around 8:45 Irish time. It's 8 at the moment, so hello, RNG Cash. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. And okay, Fluby's here as well. Welcome back. Thank you for being here very consistently. I do appreciate that. Hi, CF495 and Aaron Gamer Doom. Welcome, everybody. Is the video quality any better, CF495? As you like to comment on how bad it is sometimes. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Because that would be much appreciated. There's 8 people here already, so I'll try not to keep you waiting. I will take a drink first. Okay. I think I've got a very good set list tonight. I'm very excited. So I'll get into it. Okay. I notice you're not wearing your glasses. Yeah, I have the chat closer to me, so I don't really need them this week. Aaron Gamer Doom. Sukatron says the video is good. Thank you very much. I moved it. People say when it's closer that it looks better, so that's what I did. We've got a lot of people in here tonight. Welcome, everybody. Be sure you hit the like. Welcome, Phil Folan and Finbar, who missed me last week, but saw it on YouTube later on. That's okay. Thanks for joining me this week. I do appreciate that. So I'm gonna get into my first song before I get so distracted. Oh, fare thee well, my own true love, I'm going far, far away. I'm bound for California, and I know that I'll return someday. Fare thee well, my own true love, when I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. I've signed on a Yankee sailing ship, Davy Crockett, I do tell, and the captain's name it is Burgeress, and they say that she's a floating hell. So fare thee well, my own true love, when I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Landing stage, River Mercy, fare thee well. I am bound for California, a place I know right well. So fare thee well, my own true love, when I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. I've sailed with Burgess once before through Atlantic seas and swells. If a man's a sailor, we can get along, and if not, then he's sure in hell. So fare thee well, my own true love. When I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. One more time. Fare thee well, my own true love. When I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. We've got 7 people watching. Be sure to share the stream if you haven't already, because that would help out quite a bit. I'll see what you're all talking about here in the chat. Let's see who's joined us. Okay. RNG Cash liked and shared. Thank you very much, RNG Cash. I do appreciate that a lot. If anybody else wants to like and share as well, that it would be very much appreciated. Hillary says, Anonymous says, nice haircut. I didn't get a haircut, but thank you very much anyway for the compliment. Aaron Gamer Jim says the same thing. Gamer Jimbo 85 says, hello, how are you doing? Welcome, Gamer Jimbo 85. I hope you're doing well. Gamer Jimbo 85 has a very good YouTube channel as well. So if you're into games, then check him out. Bridget Fagan says, hi everybody, welcome, Mamo. Welcome back. Film is still with us. Thank you very much. If you haven't liked already, please do so. Mamo says, I hope you all had a good week. I do as well. Sukatron says, doesn't say anything, just a bunch of emojis. Roisin, false Roisin. Okay. So, okay. I've got 12 in here now. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Aaron, Matt Connery. Welcome back. Welcome back. I don't know. Thanks for coming on. Where is Kian? That's a good question. Gamer Jimbo 85 says, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Great singing and music. It's great. Thank you very much, Gamer Jimbo 85. Thanks for coming on as well. I appreciate it. Shane is here, actually. Okay, so I'm going to get into my next song. Okay. Here is School Days Over. School days over, come on then, John. Time to be getting your pit boots on. It's on with your sark and your moleskin trousers. It's time to be on the way. Time to be learning the pitman's job and earning the pitman's pay. Come on then, Jim. It's time to go. Time to get working down below. Time to be grabbing your pick and shovel. You start at the pits today. Time to be learning the collier's job and earning the miner's pay. Come on then, Touhy. It's almost light. Time to get out to the andesite. Time to be grabbing your pick and your shovel. You start at the pits today. Time to be learning the miner's job and earning the miner's pay. No school days over. Come on then, John. It's time to be getting your pit boots on. On with your sark and your moleskin trousers. It's time to get on the way. Time to be learning the collier's job and earning the collier's pay. Okay, we got 11 watching. Welcome everybody. If you're new, thank you for joining. I stream this kind of stuff every week on Saturdays. If you haven't shared yet, it'd be great because we've got a lot of people in here tonight. And it'd be great if we get some new additions to the chat. So let's see what you're all saying in said chat. Shane is here. I think I mentioned that before I played the song. Roisin is still here. Mamo is still here. Sukatron says, my 1.5-year-old kid is watching this with me. That's very nice. Okay. Shane says, I think he's faking the guitar. I used to get that comment quite often, people thinking that I was genuinely faking playing guitar because I'm left-handed and it's obviously the other way around. That brings back a few memories. That was, I'd say, 7 or 8 years ago, that was. So, yeah. I think that Shane was referencing that. I don't think he was being serious. Sean says it's clearly photoshopped. See everyone says the guitar is the wrong way around. That was the comment. Everyone was saying it's the wrong way around, but that was pretty funny. No one's left-handed, so it's fake. Precisely. Okay, sure. Welcome, Aaron Falsa. Welcome to the stream. We've got 13 watching and 13 likes. Thank you very much, everybody. Be sure to share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it would be great if you could do so, because I'm looking at getting to 1,000 subscribers shortly, hopefully. We're on like 645, so it's a long road, but every person counts. So I was going to play a certain song, but I might just save it for later. I'm going to grab the bouzouki now. It will be 2 seconds. Literally. If some wise guy counted, it was probably around 2 seconds. Okay. 14 are now watching. We haven't had 14 in a very long time. Welcome, everybody. I'm going to give this a quick tune. If you guys don't mind me doing so. Pretty off tune, actually, surprisingly. I think I've lost a few viewers in the process of that. Okay, I'm sorry. That's the best I can do at the moment, guys. Okay. So, every time I played this song, which is quite outstanding, every time I played the song, we get 1,000 views on the stream. And I joked last time I played this song that I've gotten 1,000 views on the stream before for playing it. And will history repeat itself? Well, let's see. Here is the Bantry Girls Lament. Oh, who will plough the fields now, and who will sow the corn, and who will watch the sheep now, making sure their need be shorn. The stacks that's in the haggard, unthrashed they may remain, since Johnny's gone a-thrashing the dirty king of Spain. The girls from the bottom in sorrow may retire, and the piper and his fellows will go home and blow the fire. Since Johnny, lovely Johnny's gone sailing over the main, along with the patriots to fight the king of Spain. The girls from the bundle in sorrow may retire, and the piper and his fellows will go home and blow the fire. Since Johnny, lovely Johnny's gone sailing o'er the main, along with the patriots to fight the king of Spain. At wakes, burning matches, the likes you'll never see, until you come back home to us, the stony dome of rain. And won't you trounce the buckies and show them much disdain, for our eyes are not as bright as those you see in Spain. If cruel fate shall not permit our Johnny to return, his heavy loss we Bantry girls will never cease to mourn. We'll resign ourselves to our sad loss, die in grief and pain, for Johnny died for Ireland's pride in the foreign land of Spain. Oh, who will plough the field now, and who will sow the corn, and who will watch the sheep now, making sure they're neatly shorn? The stacks that are in the haggard, unthrashed they may remain, since Johnny's gone a-thrashing the dirty king of Spain. Okay, I've got 15 people watching still. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. So I'll put this back now. So let's see what's going on with the chat. Okay. Well, there's a lot going on in the chat, actually. Let me scroll up a little bit. Aaron says hello to everybody in the chat. CF105 says, is that a West Asian instrument? I think it's a Greek instrument. CF105. It is raining outside, Bridget Fagan, indeed. Also known as Mama. I'm sorry, I keep calling you Bridget Fagan. Okay. Crispin Kane, welcome, Crispin Kane. Saying hello to everybody in the chat. Bon and Real says, sounding very good. School Day's Over, great song. Thank you very much. Bon and Real, I appreciate it. Roshin is still here. Gamer Jimbo 85 is also still here. He says, great song. Thank you very much. Gamer Jimbo 85. Applause from everybody in the chat. Fog Wilson is joining us. I think I know. I think I know who that is, actually. It's funny that Shane is cool left all of a sudden when Fog Wilson put a chat. I'm just not putting any accusations, but you know. Okay. So this one is a song by Park Stevens from Tuam. I've played a few of his songs. Well, I've played the Tuam beat before on streams. But here's a song, Cool in the Traffic. And I suppose the words speak for themselves. Words speak for themselves. Yeah, okay, sorry. Thought I was being dumb there. It's a very simple song, but I enjoyed it a lot. I think Pádraig has it on Spotify as well. So if you want to check his version out as well. So here's my version. Are you sitting in your car with the radio on? Have no cares and listen to the song. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool. Beep beep and a beep beep. Hey. There's a flashing yellow light, but I don't need to be told. I'm stuck behind this white heavy load. A Galway racer is acting the fool. Town's all busy with the kids back at school. Across the bridge, across the bridge, the usual hold up. Roundabout with some big roadworks. Won't say much more, it could get a bit too graphic. I'll sit down low and sing cool in the traffic. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool. I see an old tourist car that's going about 40. Bus of herders coming from Enniscorthy. I went for a drive on through Barnum Village. Saw a farmer and his tractor piping up the tillage. Oh, it's getting quite late. Everybody's worried. everybody's in a hurry. Fuel gauge on empty, getting a bit dramatic. I'll sit down low and sing cool in the traffic, stay cool. 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 It's getting a bit dramatic, stay cool. Won't say much more, it could get graphic. Stay cool. Cool in the traffic. Okay, that's a nice little song by Pádraig Stevens of Tuam. He has that on his album. I think it's called Songs from Home or Recordings from Home. You can find that on the internet. Okay, if you're watching Pádraig, I hope you enjoy that, and I'll try to do a better job of it next week as well. Let's see what you're all saying. Gamer Jimbo 85 says it's a pleasure being here. Great stream and great person. Thank you very much, Gamer Jimbo 85. I do appreciate that. Yeah, 405 telling Frog to behave. Sukatron is still with us. Thank you very much for being still here. We've got 17 people tonight. That's more than we have had in a good few weeks. Bandar na Richt says no traffic jams now in Tuam with the much appreciated bypass. CF195 says stay cool. Aaron Kane says bravo. Thank you very much, Aaron Kane. Sukatron says that was a nice song. Thank you. That is one of Pádraig Stevens' songs. Great songwriter. Orangey Cash says I'm live. I'll put your link in my chat. Thank you very much, Orangey Cash. I'll try to catch you after I end my stream. Shane says let's go for no reason whatsoever. Okay. Very random from Shane. And Sonny and Peter Biscuits and Crisps are here. Welcome, Sonny and Peter. We nearly got 20 likes. Thanks everybody who's tuning in so far. Let me see. Okay. So, what on earth? Okay. Okay. I'm going to sing a song now, as been requested by Mamo. Bridget Fagan just said sing a song, so I guess I'll do so. Okay. So, Oran Gaidge, to the Oran and Cailceo. Fair Fanusid le Kangolin, Ermadin le Shallah. Told the more up because it got hard. The tour tonight and Holland, who said go on the quad. Not that's a rocker for in the pod. I guess are the muds and calicos, show a motor come. Get the snap, milk and go to going airball. Malta, Abel, Henson, showed up. This even Lama Rock. This is here and dead here, and needs it all. Yoshi cheese and bankum, the rain Marabafala. Her power the co, Banunagus and all. Here the tour tonight and a ring, his pipe and his leather on. It's a folly shit, so let them put it raw. Shane Tamil Father Bento and King Afan Dread Floor. It's set in a shin that kid a bra of Motum Dread Foshki Kangelsis and Bala and the Bogs. This is Rama Viva Fasa in some glory. Willem heen the sira, vi should farshin go to one. It's even vi an cards a cup bar. See the four in the bacha dianta. It's gone a cup a tall. It's a king all a mach and teen and a drop law. Nach wig nach feed na kaltinish le hash mar viders from. The linger in the Sparty is it long. The tar of slash on muscle is all lufty shots the bod. It's wel clean shit I can up to the one. Or the mud in Cailceo, show the mutarchon. It's just not muffin coda going airball. Mata abelfin some shoulder up. It's even on my raw. It's sincere and that a hearing names it all. August or the mud and Cailceo, show the mutarchon. It's just not muffin coda going airball. Mata abelfin some shoulder up. It's even on my raw. It's sincere and that a hearing names it all. Okay, 17 are here. As it is now 8:30 my time. So let's see what you're all saying in the chat. There's 16 people here. If any one of you is not subscribed yet, then it would be great if you could do so. So let's see what you're all saying. We got 20 likes as well. Thank you very much. If you haven't liked yet, then be sure to do so. Okay, let's see what you're all saying then. Before I go on to my last song. Talking about Kean there. Some emojis from Mamo, from Shane, CF15, Bonner the Riecht, Sukatron. We've got a good crowd in here tonight. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming on. I do appreciate it. Welcome, Jenna McDonough, says E. Very original. Should I get with some more emojis? So, before I go into my next song, I want to say next week I'm going to be live again, of course. That will be week number 15. So if you want to join me there, that'd be great. Got some more new people joining. The chat is buzzing tonight, guys. Kathleen Saunders says, lovely music and thank you for cheering me up. Thanks for joining, Kathleen Saunders. Adita Mahata, I'm sorry, I definitely did not say that correctly. What am I playing? I am playing some Irish folk songs on guitar and bouzouki. Since you joined, I will play a song on the bouzouki. We've got so many people here. I don't want to play a slow song just yet. So I'll play a song on the bouzouki. Yeah, here's the bouzouki if you haven't seen it already. Yeah, very nice instrument. Having a lot of fun with it. Hey, Eric has joined us. Welcome, Eric. We've got a lot of people on here tonight. Thanks so much for joining. Eric requests Passage West. I'll play that for you after my next song. swords, a kind of mal flashing o'er the English pale. See all the children of the Gael beneath O'Byrne's banners, rooster of a fighting stock. Would you let the Saxon cock go up upon an Irish rock, fly up and teach him manners? Curse and swear, Lord Kildare, faith will do what faith will dare. Now Fitzwilliam have a care, fall in his ear, stare low. Up with halberd, up with sword, on we'll go for by the Lord. Faith McHugh has given the word, follow me up at the Carlow. Oh, lift Mackay, roll your face, brooding o'er the old disgrace. The Black Fitzwilliam stormed your place and drove you to the Ferran. Bray said victory was sure as soon as the fire and he'd secure, until he met a Glenmalure with Faith McHugh O'Byrne. Curse and swear, Lord Kildare, faith will do what faith will dare. Now Fitzwilliam have a care, fall in his ears, stare low. Up with halberd, up with sword, on we'll go for by the Lord. Faith McHugh has given the word, follow me up at the Carlow. Saggart to Glenmore, the flows a stream of Saxon gore. Oh, great is Rory, oh, go Morrison and loose at Hades. Dale is sick and Bray has fled, and now for Black Fitzwilliam's head we'll send it over German bread to Queen Liza and her ladies. Curse and swear, Lord Kildare, faith will do what faith will dare. Now Fitzwilliam have a care, fall in his ear, stare low. Up with halberd, up with sword, on we'll go for by the Lord. Faith McHugh has given the word, follow me up at the Carlow. Lord Kildare, faith will do what faith will dare. Now Fitzwilliam have a care, fall in his ear, stare low. Up with halberd, up with sword, and we'll go for by the Lord. And Faith McHugh has given the word, follow me up to Carlow. Okay, we got 17 watching. We had 20 at one stage. That's the most we have had since I started. On week 1, I think I had like 25 at one point. So Eric requested Passage West. So that's what I'm going to play now. It's going to be my last song of the night. Sinking down to rest. Okay. What is going on with this thing tonight? Down to rest. Okay. I'm going to try it in this key anyway. I want to thank everybody for joining me. It's been a great stream tonight. Serious amount of people joined. Thank you very much. So, let's see. There's 2 of us listening here in Northern California. That's pretty cool. Crispin Kane, thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Eric says thank you. No problem, Eric. So looking forward to seeing you all next year. Please go to my sister Maria. Yeah, that's going to be great. Kathleen Saunders. Thank you for joining the stream. Bon in a richt with some emojis. He says, I'm looking forward to meeting you too. Film says hello to everybody in chat. Eric puts a bunch of emojis. Okay, I'm not going to hold you up much longer now. Sukatron says pint of malted milk. Terry McGowan, welcome, Falsa. Made it for the last song. Thank you for joining me, Terry. I see you come on sometimes. Well, you come on pretty often actually, but come on after the streams as well, which I do appreciate very much. So I'll get into Passage West now. This is a song by John Spillane, one of the best Irish songwriters at the moment. So I'll get into this for Eric. Oh, I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed was the dark-haired woman I loved best. We wandered down by the chapel square. There was magic in the air as Mother Nature gently pressed the burning river to her breast. I offered her a golden ring, my hand, my heart, and everything. I offered her a sweet love nest by the flowing banks of Passage West. Olive, will you go, will you go, will you go? Olive, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Olive, will you go, will you go, will you go? Olive, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? We watch the ferry come and go. We watch the river ebb and flow. Tide breathe in and tide breathe out. We watch the passage flowers grow. The ghostly forms of hungry years in sad recession did appear. With hope and sorrow made their way from Passage West to a merry cave. Olive, will you go, will you go, will you go? Olive, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Olive, will you go, will you go, will you go? Olive, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? The famine queen stood tall and proud. From either banks the people bowed. From Passage West came a thing yell. Rule Britannia, rule in hell. And the grass grows green on the other side. Mighty ships sailed out the tide to far-flung harbours across the sea, far away from Passage, my love and me. Olive, will you go, will you go, will you go? Olive, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Olive, will you go, will you go, will you go? Olive, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Will you go, will you go, will you go? Will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Will you go, will you go, will you go? Will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh, I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I loved best. Okay, We've got 23 people watching. That is the most since week one. Welcome everybody who's new. I stream every Saturday at 8 p.m. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you're new, please do subscribe. Okay. I'm going to read the chat and then I'll be ending the stream shortly. Although it is a shame there are so many people here tonight. Everybody's tagging me for no reason in the chat. I don't know why. Crispin says, pint of milk, he's grown just a bit. He should be a quarter of milk now. Very funny, Greg, or Jack. Sorry, Jack. Okay, he's more like 473. That's than a pint, Kane. I'm sorry. Pint of calcium, very funny. Kane, not very funny actually. Eric says, great song. Thank you very much. If I had an encore, one more. Great songs today. Thanks, Sukatron and Eric. Okay, they want us to sing some more. Mexalpha96, welcome back. We've got a lot of people here. My cardinal rule is usually not to go over 45 minutes. But there's so many people here, it would be a shame. Unfortunately, I don't have my list with me. Songs. I don't want to be playing the same songs every week. But I'll do one more then. We've got 25 people watching, so. If you haven't subscribed yet, as I said like 2 seconds ago, I'm sorry. Please do. Because I'm trying to get to 1,000, so it'd be great if you could help out there. And leave a like if you haven't. So this is definitely the last song. Unless we get like 50 people, which is extremely unlikely. Hey, John from Cape Cod. Welcome. Okay. Oh, I'm a little spider. I'll be climbing up your wall. Don't mind me if you see me. I won't bother you at all. I'll be hiding in the corner, building webs to catch the flies. Don't mind me hairy legs or me 100,000 eyes. Ooh, what are you trying to kill me for? I'm only having the crack. Stick me in the jam jar and leave me out the back and I'll be gone. Singing me song, tipping along. The song was written by Tom Touhy, by the way. I'm a little fly, lads, I'll be flying in your ciders, minding my own business, watching out for spiders. Had a brother Nigel, he's down there on the floor. Well, he had a bad hangover and he didn't make the door. What you trying to kill me for? I'm only having the crack. Stick me in the jam jar and leave me out the back and I'll be gone, singing me song, tipping along. Oh, I'm a little fly, lad, I'll be flying in your cider. I sang this verse already, I'm a mess. Oh, I'm an old mosquito, lads, the worst of all. I'll wait till you're asleep before I do anything at all. And when the lights go out, I'll be buzzing in your ear. You won't be able to see me, you won't even know I'm here. What you trying to kill me for? I'm only having the crack. Stick me in the jam jar and leave me out the back and I'll be gone, singing me song, tipping along. Oh, I'm a little bumblebee, sure too fat to fly, but I'm defying gravity, sting me but I'll die. I love it in the garden, lads, I'm out there for hours, nothing I love more than a big old bunch of flowers. What you trying to kill me for? I'm only having the crack. Stick me in a jam jar and leave me out the back and I'll be gone, singing me songs, tipping along, buzzing along. Yeah, I'll be gone, singing me songs, tipping along. Okay. So many people here, it's a shame to end the stream, but I'm going to have to do so. Oh, I'll be back next week at 8. If you want to join me, that'd be fantastic. And be sure to subscribe as well. Thanks everybody so much for joining me tonight. We have quite a bit of people here. I'll see who else has joined since. Bantry in the Richt says, I can't finish on that. Ceanna one out of the hell. CF405 says Yahoo. Eric says woo hooah. And just some weird sound in the chat now. Okay, so be sure to join me next week. I also upload the stream onto YouTube after, so if anybody wants to watch it back, you're able to do that as well. A lot of the songs I play are in video format on my channel as well, with better sound and better video as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the stream now. Thank you very much, everybody who's joined. So many people here tonight. I hope to see you all next week again. Okay, so I'll see you all next time. Thank you very much for joining.